because it's like a two states wedding, north and south. It's even more exciting now to get married in such a way because I really like their culture, and Harish is always very excited about the North Indian food and the North Indian culture.
मांगे है तेरी मंजूरी, गजरा सियाही दिन रंग जाए, तेरी कस्तूरी रैन जगाए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। मन मस्त मगन तेरा नाम दोहराए।
We've been away from each other for a long time, and I think we both are looking forward to being with each other.
So basically we met through a common friend around 6-7 years back. I remember suddenly out of the blue one day he asked me, see, I'm in the US and you are in Delhi, so obviously we cannot date and all, and I don't even want to date you, but I honestly want to ask you if you'll marry me. He said, I know it's a little weird to ask you on Skype if you want to get married, but let's talk and give it a shot and see if things work out, and if we like each other, we'll get married.
तुझसे ही तो मिली है राह, तू ही तो मेरी है चाह, तुझसे ही तो जुड़ी जिंदगी। तेरी यादें हैं कुछ अधूरी, सांस आधी है कुछ है पूरी, आंखों में है कैसी ये नमी। मेरा मन कहने लगा पास आके न तू दूर जा, छूने दे होंठ तेरे जरा सांसों में अपनी बसा।
I'm absolutely happy today to be a part of her life and you know be here and to see this day happen, like the dreams, and you know it's true, dreams really do come true, and this is like her fairy tale come alive, so I'm very happy.
Today is the Mehndi function, and this is basically very important for me at least because मेरे को मेहंदी का भी बहुत शौक है और मुझे कलीरों का भी बहुत शौक है और मुझे अपने दोस्तों का भी बहुत शौक है. Everything is like टल्ली की मेहंदी and it's like a big function. So everybody is very excited about it and हम full दारू पीने वाले हैं आज.
एक मुझ पे करम हो, तू ही मेरा सनम हो, तेरी मुझ पे नजर हो साहिबा.
For me, Shraddha is a very warm person. As I said, that we do not communicate on daily basis, but whenever we meet, there's a warmth, you know, that we both share. So yeah, she's a very warm person.
है बावड़ा कभी, है सावड़ा कभी, अरे धिम्मे धिम्मे चले है उतावड़ा कभी. कल इस पे आया था, कल उस पे आएगा, मेरी मूछें ये मुंडवाएगा, बड़ा है बेशरम. अति रैंडम देगा धोखा मचल गयो रे चंचल मन अति रैंडम देगा धोखा संभल गयो रे फिसल गयो रे
She's a fun girl. She's totally, let me put it, I don't know if I'm supposed to say it or not. She's totally un-banya, okay? She's not one of those banya dhai girls. Thank God for that. So, and she's very hip and she's very happy.
रंग रसिया हो रंग रसिया
The families met the families and the families approved of it and they liked each other. And then we decided कि अच्छा ठीक है families ने हाँ कर दिया, so he should come down from the US and meet me. And we met each other and the deal was कि आते ही if I say yes तो yes है. So he landed on the airport and I looked at him and I said yes. And on the same weekend रुका हो गया and now we are getting married.
रंग रसिया 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 ये सारे रंग तेरे रंग है गुलाबी सांझ का ढलता हुआ आंचल दुशाला ओढ़े काले मेघ है ये तेरी आँख से छलके है इसी पर लाल पीले हरे चंपई सुरमई एक तू है मगर तेरे रंग कई मोहे रंग दे रे रंग दे रे रंग दे रे रंग दे रंग रसिया हो रंग रसिया रंग रसिया रंग रसिया रंग रसिया रंग रसिया रंग रसिया
ओम अम्बे अम्बिके बालिके नवानये गशन सोदगांगां बिलवासिन्मा.
She is one of the most lovable kids of our family. She can bring life to any party. She's very bubbly and chirpy and always jumping around. So I think we're going to really miss having her around for all the other occasions that happen in the family.
He called us from Coimbatore. Amma, please come because I like Shraddha very much. Amma and Appa, both parents, you please come and see the girl. And we flew to Delhi at once and we saw Shraddha and we like her the most. She's a very lovable girl and we said, we agree and you marry her. We will be a lovable pair.
After selecting Shraddha, he said, Peripa, now I selected. I said, good job you have done. See, you have taken a girl whom you like her. That is most important. All the best, that is what I told him.
पहली थी सिया हरा थे आया तो सुबह लेके खाम खा खासी जिंदगी में जीने की वजह लेके खोया था समंदरों में तन्हा सफीना मेरा साहिलों पे आया है तू जाने किस तरह लेके कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता अब क्या है कहना हमको है रहना जन्नते भुला के तेरी बाहों में पनाह लेके फैली थी सियाह रातें आया तो सुबह लेके खामखासी जिंदगी में जीने की वजह लेके
I was really high on Combi Flam of all the things, and I went on Skype and
Shraddha saying, okay, will you go out with me?
And the reply that I got on the screen was,
It's a yes by default.
and the moment he said it is a yes by default, even without knowing me as a person very deeply, I knew that he is the person I would like to take my life forward with.
And then that's when I asked, okay, why did you actually ask me to, go out with you and all those things? And she was like, no, I was high on medicine.
And I also saved his name in my phone till date as it is a yes by default and not as Harish.
मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन भर गया तेरा नज़ारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला तकदीर का जैसे कोई इशारा मिला रूठी हुई ख्वाहिशों में थोड़ी सी सुलह लेके आया तू खामोशियों में बातों की जिरह लेके खोया था समंदरों में तन्हा सफीना मेरा साहिलों पे आया है तू जाने किस तरह लेके कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता अब क्या है कहना हमको है रहना जन्नते भुला के तेरी बाहों में पनाह लेके
Now it is the time when after the wedding we will actually fall in love and the love story will actually start because all these years we have been away only.
तू होगी 1 to 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिमें क्वीन साडी विक्टोरिया तू कैंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कैंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा सिर ते गिलासी रख पंजाबी स्टाइल विच लस्सी दा गिलास खिच
When he told me that he was in love with a girl, my immediate reaction was not whether she was a North Indian or a South Indian or
anything like that. My immediate thought was, who is the girl? I want to meet her and I hope that they'll get along for life. That was my reaction.
They're getting married, two different cultures. I don't think Harish knows a lot of Hindi and vice versa. She's not gonna. So it's a mix of culture. So I would say, you know, you have to draw a line and say, you know, before you get into stuff, you know, you kind of have to understand that this is how it's going to be.
When two people love each other and when they understand each other, then it really doesn't matter which state you're coming from or where you're, what religion you're following, I guess. Because in India, it's not two people who marry, it's two families who get together. So the tradition came more from how we would be able to gel with her parents and everybody else and so on and so forth. But I think I was very, very happy.
She came to our place, Coimbatore. She stayed for 4 days and she was with me in my house.
I was so happy. The house is very beautiful. They are very nice. My mom-in-law is a singer, so she sings really well. And she has a lovely set of friends and students. And my dad-in-law has a really good sense of humor.
Just love each other as much as you can, take care of each other and maintain all the vows that you've taken, and I'm sure life will really bless you with the best.
He did not tell me that he loves her, but he said, I got a liking to that girl because for quite some time we were having contacts. He is interested in her. I want him to check up only what is their family background. Gupta is very much an innocent man, Gupta ji. Whatever you ask, he will say only yes. And he has got an interest to do his best to their family.
उसने बहुत सोच समझ के कोई डिसीजन लिया होगा। फिर मैंने लड़के के परिवार, लड़के के बारे में मालूमात की। लड़का बहुत सुंदर, बढ़िया, परिवार बहुत अच्छा, ये बहुत एजुकेटेड लोग हैं, हाईली एजुकेटेड। सो कास्ट इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम टू मी। मेरे को पसंद आया सब कुछ, तो एवरीथिंग इज़ ओके।
I think North Indian weddings are more fun Not to say that the South Indian weddings are boring, but it's just different cultures. But then North Indian weddings are more exciting, dance, party, fun.
Hi Shraddha.
Always had a crush on him and I still have a crush on him. I used to secretly check him out and I always used to say, shit, if you're getting married to someone and every morning you can wake up and still have the crush on the same guy.
लेके आवे ले जाए
wish both of you a very, very happy married life. Have lots of fun, and I hope you travel the world because you both are people who love traveling. And I hope you have a beautiful life together and come back to India and come back to all of us because we're going to miss you.
Good wishes to both of them for their happily married life.
Hi Tali, hi Harish. I want to wish you guys a very, very, very happy married life. God bless you.
Shraddha, Harish, we wish you a very, very happy married life. Hope your love grows by millions every single day. And we hope to see you back in Delhi really, really soon. We're going to miss you guys.
I wish them all the best और आऊँगा US obviously इसके साथ रहने.
छू लिया तूने लब से आँखों को मन्नतें पूरी तुमसे ही तू मिले जहाँ मेरा जहाँ है वहाँ रौनकें सारी तुमसे ही छू लिया तूने लब से आँखों को मन्नतें पूरी तुमसे ही तू मिले जहाँ मेरा जहाँ है वहाँ रौनकें सारी तुमसे ही पिया ओ रे पिया पिया रे पिया रे पिया पिया.
All the best to both of them, to both Harish and Tali. All the best.
I mean, I'm so happy both of them have found love, true love, and I hope this love prevails and it goes on and on for the next 60, 70 years.
दिल का दिमाग से झगड़ा लगाया कैसे पीछे के दरवाजे से दबे पाँव आया कैसे थोड़ा सा कमीना थोड़ा बेचारा है इश्क भूत सही पर ये भूत बड़ा ही प्यारा है.
एज एन पेरेंट सोचूं तो बहुत महसूस होएगा, बहुत दुख होगा. और वैसे एज ए इंडिविजुअल और एज ए पर्सन एज शी इज़ गोइंग टू लीड अ वेरी हेल्दी क्वालिटी लाइफ देयर, तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. और हरीश को देखते हुए मुझे लगता है कि दे विल बी हैप्पी कपल.
May heaven's choicest blessings be showered on them. Whatever is the best available in God's kitty, that should be given to these two. They are a beautiful couple. They're beautiful human beings as well. They deserve the best, and I hope they will get the best.
Both of them are lucky to have each other, and I'm sure they'll be very happy. So I'm very positive, and I just hope that nothing ever goes wrong, and they just stay happy forever and ever and ever.
अरे 3-0.
Practicing at home? No. She can use both.
इसमें नहीं जीता.
Don't break my finger.
What is open? You're not supposed to close it. कया तेरी आंखों में है गहराई, पर तुझसे ज़्यादा सुंदर लगती मुझको तेरी टाई. चंद पकाया पूरी हुई मेरी हर दुआ, तो भैया बूढ़े लगते पर अभी भी जवा है बुआ. चंद पकाया हो गई मुझको खांसी, थोड़ा सा तो डर जाता हूँ जब देखूं तेरी मासी.
Come on, you have to.